It's time for another gardening update. Okay guys, welcome back. It's Thursday collab in the garden. I'm back here doing some small chores. My back is killing me. I think my back is permanently damaged. Any heavy lifting starts the painful process of hurt all over again. So no heavy lifting for me ever. The back is aching too bad. Come out here to try to do little things and that's not going to happen. But I did manage to trim back, prune my succulent tree. Way to the back, you can see where it's cut, the raw edges, the raw branches, and the rabbits in front of it. Welcome outdoors. So I managed to do that. And when I did that, I noticed my spear snake plant was growing back there. I don't know. I think I'm growing a what is the other one called? I can't think of it now. Not the long-eared one. The other one, I can't think of it right now, but I believe I got one of those growing back because I had several of those. And you can see the devil's ivy wrapping all around there. I need to correct all that. And yeah, so the most cleanup so far, which I've been trying to do forever, is trim that back so I can get in that area, move that stuff around. I gotta get some dollies so I can push the plants around easily, so I don't have to pick up and all that stuff to injure my back anymore. So that's what's going on. Other than up here, I put a little snail, ants, a little hanging bee. When the Dollar Tree was $1, those hanging bees and stuff. My garlic chives, the sage, and the red peppers. I need my glasses on. I don't know what's wrong with me. Doing okay. So that's the most decorative stuff out here so far. And the cleaning part I already showed you was here, where I trimmed and pruned the succulent tree. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Recovering from surgery, and now I gotta recover again from back pain. But at least now, with this little bit of work done, I'm making some progress, which is really what matters. Is the progress. Slowly but surely. And for those of you who know about back pain, you understand. Okay, so it's taking me a minute to come back and forth and share updates, what's going on in the garden. All right, happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share if you want. And if you unsubscribe, resubscribe back for me, please, and thank you so much. Bye for now. I'll see you on the next one.